Here I've got Alcatel OneTouch Idol free, and let me show you all the secret codes which will allow you to enable hidden modes on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code. So we will start with phone information, enter the code which is *##* 4636 ***. And now you're in testing menu, so you can check the phone information here. You can find the email number, the phone number if you have one, also the roaming. As you can see, plenty of very useful informations, and also you can run a ping test here, so simply click on run ping test and here will be the solution. So let's go back. And now you can also check the info about your battery, so let me pick battery information, where you can find battery status, power plug, battery level, scale, health, voltage, temperature, technology, and all the others. So let's go back. Then you can pick usage statistics, and here you'll see information about your applications, usage time, and also last time used. So let's go back. And finally you have Wi-Fi information. Open it. The first one is Wi-Fi APA, where you can check disable network, disconnected, enable network, configured networks, and also get connection info. Then Wi-Fi configuration, so here you can check all the configured networks. And finally Wi-Fi status, so here click on refresh status to see what the current status of your Wi-Fi is. Here is the resolution, and also you can click on run ping test here, and here you've got the result. So let's go back, and also you can enable RMNET if you want to, just by clicking. And as you can see now it is enabled, but you can also switch it off the same way. So let's go back. That will be the first code. Now we have the second one, very useful, and the shortest one, which is *#06#. And this code will show you the email number for your device, so simply here you've got the email number. You can quickly check it. Now let me open service menu, so let's enter *##, 263 764 and 3 #*#. And now, as you can see, we are in service menu. You can perform various of tests here. For example, you can pick LCD, and now you can check the colors. So it's pass. Then you can check the keypad, and you can perform various of tests here if you want to. But let me switch it off. And now let's go to the fourth code, which is the calendar info. The code is *##, 225 *##. And here you will be able to notice all the info, all the events from the calendars that are included in this phone. So if you have the Google account, it will be included here. If you have some events in the phone storage, in the phone calendar, it will also be shown over here. So here is the one place where all the events from all calendars are included. So that's it. Now let's open the next code, *##, 246 *##. And now you can diagnose your device. Here you can click on events on status, and it's very useful code for all the people that would like to check if everything is okay with their device. So let's go back. We have two more codes. Let's start with *##, 759 *##. And as you can see, we are in debug menu. Here you can check the brand code, next alarm, current black off, enabled GS services, and all the others over here. So as you can see, you can check pings. Also here, events are here, view clients IDs, and obviously the strings. So that's it. And last but not least, code is *##2 £886. And here you can test your device. It's the Alcatel mode. So if you would like to do it automatically, click auto, and if you would like to do it manually, click on menu, click let me pick auto. And if you would like to test your device, just click on yes and perform the test, so you can check all the features that are included in your device, in your Alcatel. So that's it. These are the codes for your device. You can use it whenever you want to, whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.